This performance wasn't prompted, it wasn't animated, it was acted. What you're seeing right now is Kling Motion Control within Arcads. Kling Motion Control doesn't guess how a character should move. It follows real human performance. Even the pauses, which is rich coming from a cat like me. Every gesture, every facial movement. This is the kind of movement AI generally gets wrong. I knew this moment was coming. I just didn't expect it to feel like this. You don't need a studio to tell a story anymore. At this point, AI has gone to another level. It's no longer about creating AI videos with a prompt, but now you can embody your AI characters. You can act, you can bring them to life. You can use your whole body to express what it is you're trying to get your characters to say and do. There are no limits with AI video anymore. So why don't you jump into Arcads and follow along as I show you exactly how to do this workflow and create these kind of video-driven animations.
In this video, I'll take you through how to create scenes like the ones you've just seen, as well as UGC-style videos using Kling 2.6 Motion. And if you'd like to follow along inside of Arcads, make sure to pick up the free PDF in the pinned link below this video. All of these videos you've been seeing were created within Arcads.ai, and here I am on the homepage of Arcads.ai. And the first place you want to go is to log in or sign up on the right-hand side over here. Once you come into Arcads, you'll find yourself on this page where you have folders and you have projects. And I have a new project I just created by clicking the plus, and I named it Kling 2.6 Motion. And this is the blank project here. The first thing we're going to want to do is create our images. And I've created some prompts using an LLM, in this case, ChatGPT 5.2, and I'm going to paste that prompt in the box here. And it's basically the image to create myself as Bond. And it's going to use a reference image of myself. And you can see the image as a reference image here in the prompt box. And I've got the option to create 3 images here. And we can choose Nanobanana, and we can choose the aspect ratio, which I want to be 16:9. And I'm going to click generate. Credits needed are 0 for this. So to use Nanobanana Pro within Arcads, it's just part of having a subscription. It costs you nothing to be able to create images. And so now we can see these images are being created and beginning to appear here. And we have our first image here of me looking like Bond talking to my smartwatch. So I've got all the images here ready to generate them with the Kling Motion. And just give you an idea of these images. Some of them were generated with my likeness, these ones here, which is obvious from my face here. And then with the cat, obviously, I didn't use my likeness for this. Some incredible images. I got Charlie Chaplin as well here, or someone there who looks like Charlie Chaplin. And then myself as a news presenter. So these are all the images that were used at the beginning of this video. So you could just create the images that you want to bring to life using Nanobanana Pro and get ChatGPT to help you to write the prompt to create those images. So now we have our images, we need to go down to video. And once you're on video, go across to the See More button, and here you have all of the models. I'm going to click into just models and choose Kling 2.6 Motion Control. And then you'll see this window appear here. You're going to want to upload your character image. I downloaded the image of the 3 that I prefer. And then you're going to want to next upload your reference video, which is you doing the talking and the acting, which is going to animate this image of Bond in this case. Listen carefully, I'm going to say this only once. This performance wasn't guessed, it wasn't animated, it was inherited. The first time I did the Bond video, I had this issue where the arm kept coming up too high into the air. And that's because you can see here in the first reference video I did for this, I was bringing the wrist up into shot. And that was somehow causing that movement. I was taking his arm because it was starting like that in the picture and pushing it up. And so then I changed it so that I didn't even have my arm in shot. I kept it slightly out the shot with no movement in and just talked to the camera. And then that worked perfectly because it kept the arm locked where it is in the image. So now we're going to create a UGC-style ad. And we're back here within the image part of Arcads.ai. And I'm going to paste in here my image description, which is basically creating a half body shot of a modern UGC-style creator. And I'm going to also use my image as a reference. And there's my image at the bottom. If you want to see the prompt, just pause the video and you'll be able to see the whole prompt there. And this time I'm going to go for the classic UGC style, which is 9:16 instead of 16:9. Obviously you could choose any you want. You can also go for 1:1 here. And I'm just going to click the button here to generate. So I generated another set of 3, and these are the 6 images that we have here on the screen. So we go to video and then click see more and models and Kling 2.6 Motion Control, and then you can upload your character image here. So we've got a character image here. I've just got my hands on the latest iPhone 17 Pro Max. So you can see me recording the reference video here where I'm holding up a book, which is the Bible, which is going to be changed to be the iPhone Pro 17 Max with the image. So we're going to change the driving video here to animate that video using Kling 2.6 Motion as you've seen before. And now we'll upload our reference video. I've just got my hands on the latest iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the shape is the same as last year. And the battery is slightly better, it's slightly faster, has an updated OS, and you need to get yours now. Otherwise, what are you doing with the iPhone 16 still? Wow, well, I think you can agree with me that Kling 2.6 Motion is absolutely incredible. The ability to be able to put your own expressions, emotions, and animation using your own face and body into your AI videos now is game-changing. It means that we can use real actors, we can use real actions, and we can really make these AI videos absolutely incredible. And you can film these from anywhere you want. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to try it out for yourself. And if you like this video, make sure to like it. Let me know in the comments below what you're going to create. Remember to check out the AI Creator Tools community for the free PDF to follow along with this video. And I'll see you in the next video here.